Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 450 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals. You have the brass freeze plugs in there. Customer's running the independent suspension, so we put the rear sump oil pan for his application on there, the Moroso, correct one. Oil pressure extensions on there for easy oil pressure hookup. AFR aluminum cylinder heads are on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. These Ford Racing black valve covers with the matching air cleaners on there. You have the distributors set in place. Aluminum intake manifold. Holley Sniper fuel injections on there. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand. The Holley Sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, the menu screen all set up, ready to go. We have the gas filter on there, heavy duty Russell fuel line, all set up. Oil stick and tube on there, proper automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the 427 Ford and the customer's C4 transmission. We have the Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Customer wanted the Concept 1 pulley kit on there. AC compressors on there. High flow aluminum water pump. 165 amp chrome alternator. Ground wires installed. All set up, ready to go. Power steering pumps on there. Correct one for the customer's suspension he's running. This setup, customer also wanted the Hyperspark ignition system from Holley. This controls ignition timing. I'll set that all up for the customer. Run it in. It'll be all set up, ready to go, plug and play. So here you have it again. It's our 427 Ford, 450 horsepower turnkey package engine. Ready to go. Thanks for watching.